This topic is sort of advanced. We're going to first do a normal, this is a search. It launches a search within a themed pop-up window where I could type in the word that I want and hit enter, and it loads another default themed pop-up, which loads the search results. Now, so far, I've used the direct load method for the search results window. That's basically sending my search to the normal search results page, and it's pulling certain elements from that page and including them into the search pop-up window. And that's cool and everything, but maybe you don't want to use the template that your main website uses for the search results. Maybe you want to customize that a bit. So we're going to look at how to tweak the search results pop-up so that it uses a different load method and therefore uses some custom templates. So in order to do that, I'm going to go to the back end. I'm going to make some modifications to the search results pop-up. So I go to Popup Maker, and I'm going to edit the search results pop-up. Once this loads, I'm going to go down to my search settings, and it's still doing a little bit of loading. Okay, so the results load method, the default results load method is going to be direct load. As I said, that uses your theme's search results template. Now, if I choose using templates, you'll notice that the results selector goes away. That's because I'm going to be in total control of the template, and I'm going to put the template files right into my theme. The rest of this I'll leave the same so that the search origin is still that themed search pop-up. And I do want to update this. And now I'm going to show you where you need to go in your theme to modify those templates. There's a download. There's a zip download that you can get when you have purchased search pop-ups, this extension. So you're going to download the extension itself as one zip file. A separate zip file that you'll have access to are these templates that you're going to unzip to your theme folder, and I'll show you exactly where they go. So I'll just use the theme editor that I have built into WordPress, and I've actually done a plugin on top of it so that it makes it a little bit easier to navigate. But these are the theme files that come with 2015, which is the current active theme on my website. So within that, when you grab the zip file that has the theme files in it, you're going to FTP or copy those up to your site into your active theme folder. So you would have a file in here that would be like the zip file. When you extract that, you'll wind up with a folder called PopMake templates, or you might unzip it onto your local computer and FTP up the files. Depends on how you work. So within the PopMake templates folder, that has to be there, and that has to be the exact name that it is, all lowercase with the underscore between. You'll have these files. Now, search.php, that is actually the main search results template. So we'll take a look at that right now. I've already customized this a little bit. Normally it would just say search results for, and then this is where it puts in the search parameter that the user entered. But let's say I want to actually see this, I want to make a small change. So I'll just call this my theme results for whatever. So when we load search results, we'll see this heading. It'll say my theme results for, and whatever they searched for. So I can click update file. And then before I leave this area, just really quick, then if you're familiar with WordPress programming, this is the loop, and then this is where it initializes the post, and then within that area it does another get template part, which is going to pull in content search, which is this file right here, or content none if no results were loaded. So content none has that message, which is localized and internationalized, so that you could say, hey, no results were found. Or content search, that's for each individual search result. So if you wanted to modify how each individual search result came up, you would go into this and you would modify it. Here's the title, the excerpt is here, the post link, and so on. And this is the HTML code that goes around that. So if you know what you're doing and you can modify templates, you could make changes here, save this file, and it'll actually modify each individual search result. I'll just put, just to show you this in effect, I'll just put an X, and that'll show right before the title in the search results. So I'll update this file as well, and we should be good. So just to recap, so far we have edited the search results pop-up, and we told the results load method to be templates. We have grabbed the zip file of our templates, unzipped them to our local machine, uploaded them to our theme directory on the remote web server, which created pop make templates, as well as these files, which we can now customize. And that's where we're at. So now I'm going to return back to the website. We'll go to our themed search test on the front end. We'll click search here. Type our good old hello search, press enter, and we could see that we are now pulling the search results wrapper for the loop and everything else from our theme folder, because we have the word my theme in there. And prior to each search result, we have our little X, which again came from the content-search.php file. So we could make as many modifications there as we need. And an additional benefit to using the template style of results loading is that it's a little bit faster. When you do the direct load method, you're really loading the entire search page with the sidebar and everything, and it just pulls a little bit of content from the center to put into the pop-up. This is loading just what it needs in order to display your search results, so should perform a little bit better for you. And we have a forum, so please post your questions, and we'll be happy to assist you with this as much as we can.